Hello everyone and welcome back to Lotus Premier Education. My name is Amanda and I want to be your college tutor. Today we're going to talk about whether or not you can use Chat GPT on your college essays. Do you guys want to take a guess at what my answer is going to be? A very resounding no. You cannot use Chat GPT to answer your college essays, and you cannot use Chat GPT to work on your supplements. I know that there are several times when Chat GPT can be a really useful tool, and a lot of students will say to me, but what if I just use it to brainstorm or to outline my essay or to come up with a template, and then I personalize it more to myself? That is a very risky game, because if you use ChatGPT as a baseline for anything, it is really hard to think so far outside the box and to add so much personal detail that it is going to sound like it was something completely generated by you and that it's unique and different enough. The other piece of this puzzle is that colleges have tools to scout for ChatGPT and artificial intelligence in your supplements, and they're automatic, so you can bet they're going to be running all of their application materials through those tools. So, if you can't use ChatGPT, what are some other ways that you can intelligently and efficiently answer your college supplements? Number one, you can look at other sample essays that have been publicized online. We have some samples on our website, lotuspremiereducation.com. There are several other organizations that have really great sample essays for you to read and use as a model or as kind of a thought-provoking baseline while you draft your own essays. Obviously, those essays should only be a springboard. You need to make sure that you put as much creativity and as much of yourself into your college essay as you possibly can. Admissions officers are reading so many essays, so if you really want yours to stand out, you have to really infuse it with personality, with your tone, and to really match it with you and the school. So one way that you can really think strategically through your college essays is to see other sample essays that have already been posted for you online or that are available in books. Now, one thing you can do that is not ChatGPT related, but is a really intelligent way to strategize your supplements, is start with sort of a base answer to a supplement. So for example, there are several schools that have a why this school supplement. So for example, why do you want to attend Wisconsin? That type of supplement is replicated across several different applications. For some schools, it's 200 words. For other schools, it's 400 words. For other schools, it's 650 words. But if you start with one template, and I like to say, start with the longest version of that supplement and then cut down for schools that have less wording. It's easier to cut down than it is to add words later. So start with one sample template of how you would answer that question. Usually in a Why This School supplement, and we do have a video specifically on Why This School supplements, you would start with a personal anecdote or something about yourself. So you can think of a framework that you're going to use to answer any question that's related to that, and then just tailor your response to each school. Again, you want to make sure that it's really personal to you and the school, so there should be a lot of tailoring and adapting going on. But if you start with a framework for a supplement, it's a lot easier to change and adapt it than it is to write a new supplement from the beginning each time. Now, once again, artificial intelligence is a very valuable tool. There are several ways that it could be used for your benefit, but using it for your college essays is a very quick way to be asking for your admissions application to not be considered or to have a red flag. And you really don't want that, especially when you're spending so much time and effort on the college process. So sit down, get your creative juices flowing, watch some of our videos about how to really think through some intelligent, interesting, and life-changing college topics, and write essays that apply to you from the heart. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions, please drop them in the comments below. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel. It's so helpful when you guys like, comment, and subscribe so that we can keep getting important college information right into your hands. We'll see you back here very soon on Lotus Premier Education. Bye, guys.